Everybody's shining, but it's all just a show. Highlight reels, never let the real feeling show. I was chasing validation, now I'm letting it go. Finding something deeper in my heart and my soul. I'm gonna make my own way, be a light in this life. I don't need the hype no more. I see clearer inside. I'm taking back my time. Yeah, I'm holding it tight. Now I'm walking in my truth, and it feels so right. Used to measure my worth by the things that I see, but I remember when it's free and don't define me. Had to take a step back just to breathe again. Found the real love, nothing like from friends. I'm moving with a purpose in my own lane. Sunshine in my face, washing away the pain. No more looking sideways, I'm done with the race. Now I'm grounded in the truth, standing strong in my place. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own way, be a light in this life. I don't need the hype no more. I see clearer inside. I'm taking back my time. Yeah, I'm holding it tight. Now I'm walking in my truth, and it feels so right. No filter, no disguise. See the truth in my own eyes. I was lost in all the noise. Now I finally hear my voice. Now I'm rising like the sun over ocean waves. Every step I take now, I'm no longer afraid. They can keep the spotlight, I don't need that glow. Got a fire deep inside that they never knew.